The bamboo bends, the water flows, yet they are incredibly strong. That is gentle strength. When there is a strong wind, the bamboo bends and survives. It does not resist, and the water flows and changes its path, and in itself it shapes the rocks. In nature, there is no rigidity. They are adaptive and flexible. When you push your body with force, it causes strain, not strength. Especially after 45, do not strain your body. Instead, build gentle strength. Rigidity breaks and flexibility sustains. So, build your strength differently. Move gently, breathe deeply, and stretch calmly with awareness. Like the bamboo and water, you have to sustain, you have to adapt yourself. Don't force your body or push your body to become strong. Let it become strong by working on it. Stay adaptive, not forceful. Use gentle strength which sustains and which stays.